Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Gusto payroll settings for contractor compliance. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Gusto account. Once logged in, navigate to the People tab on the main dashboard. In the People section, find and select the contractor you wish to update. Click on the contractor's name to open their profile. Next, scroll down to the payment section of their profile. Here, you'll see options related to payment settings. To ensure compliance, check the Tax Information section. Make sure that all required tax forms, such as the W-9, are properly filled out. If any information is missing, prompt the contractor to complete the necessary forms. Now, return to the Payment section. Review the payment method that's currently set up for this contractor. If changes are needed, select the Edit button next to their payment method. Choose the preferred payment option, such as direct deposit or check. After selecting, fill in any required fields specific to the payment method. Next, ensure the payment frequency aligns with your company's policy. Once done, save any changes made to the contractor's payment settings. To confirm compliance, double-check the contractor's classification under the Compliance section. Ensure that they are correctly classified as either an independent contractor or employee. If updates are necessary, follow the prompts to adjust their classification. Review all changes thoroughly before finalizing. Finally, log out of your Gusto account to secure your information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.